Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about the Bravais lattice. Okay, and in previous video lecture we have learned about the what is unit cell and what is non-primitive unit cell and what is primitive unit cell. So in Bravais lattice, this part we have covered till now. So what is Bravais lattice? So when there are point group operations are there. Point group operation are arises due to the symmetry operation. This point group operation give rise to the different type of lattice structures, and this will gives you the Bravais lattice. Okay. So in two dimension there are 10 point groups, and in three dimension there are 13 point group operation, and this 10 point group operation, which are the combination of symmetry operation in two dimension, this 10 point groups give rise to the five Bravais lattice. Okay, or there are five type of crystal structures are there, and here in three dimension there are 32 point group operation which give rise to the 14 Bravais lattice. So these 14 Bravais lattice are obtained from the seven crystal structure system, and here it is from the four crystal structure system. Okay, so there are two dimension there are five Bravais lattice, and in three dimension there are 14 Bravais lattice are there. So first we will learn about the uh, two dimensional Bravais lattice. So in two dimension there are five Bravais lattice. Generally what happens in two dimension, we require two translational vector, a vector and b vector. So a vector is a translational vector along one axis, and b vector is a translational vector along the second axis. So it is two dimensional, so it has only two axes, and between these two translational vector there is an angle. So I'll this gamma is the angle between a and b. Okay, so in two dimension there are five Bravais lattice. First is your oblique, second is your square, third is your hexagonal, fourth one and fifth one both are rectangular structure, but fourth one is primitive, that means atoms lies at the corners, and fifth one is your non-primitive, means atom lies at corner as well as inside. Okay, so what is oblique? Oblique means these two translational vectors, a vector and b vector, are spacing between this lattice point along x and this y axis. These are difference, that means a is not equal to b, and this angle is also not equal to 90-degree, it will change. Okay, so that is known as your oblique structure. Okay, so this is your first Bravais lattice. Second is your square. What is square lattice? These two sides are same, that means a is equal to b, you can take a here also or b also. So these two sides are same, and this angle gamma is equals to 90-degree. This angle is 90 degrees. Such a structure is known as your square lattice. Okay, uh, s- that means the if the lattice points are arranged in this way, they will produce the square crystal structure. Now next one is your hexagonal structure. So here in hexagonal structure, these two sides a and b both are same, a is equals to b, and this angle is equals to the 120-degree. Here both a is equals to b both are same, but here angle is 90-degree, that's why it is square. If this angle is 120-degree, then it is a hexagonal lattice. Okay, then fourth one is your rectangular. Rectangular means this side is small as compared to this side. Okay, so here a is not equal to b, so a is here less, b is here large. Okay, so both are not same, and this angle is equals to 90-degree. So angle between a and b, so this is known as your rectangular lattice, and all lattice point lies at the corner, that is important. All lattice points are at corner, then it is known as the rectangular lattice, or you can say that primitive rectangular lattice also. And if these lattice points are arranged such that this one is your unit cell, That means if lattice points are at corner as well as inside, okay, and this is known as your non-primitive rectangular Bravais lattice. Okay, so here same, a is not equal to b and gamma is equals to 90 degree. So this is about your two-dimensional Bravais lattice. So what we have learned from this is that in two dimension there are five Bravais lattice. First is your oblique, second is your square, and third is your hexagonal, and fourth is your primitive rectangular, and fifth is your non-primitive rectangular. So here we'll stop now. This is about your two-dimensional Bravais lattice. In next video lecture we are going to learn about the three